Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we learned how we can record a simple macro. If you haven't seen it, you can go back to my channel and learn it. Today, we will learn how to write a VBA code. There are three types of code: subprocedures, function, and class. Let's start with looking into subprocedures. You will have to insert a new module if you already don't have a module in your file. So I'll just open the VBA editor. As you can see, there is no module here. I'll go to insert a module. If you already have a module, you can write a code into it directly. No need of entering a new one. So we'll start with a simple macro, that is to copy paste. And as you noticed, as soon as I entered sub copy paste, this parenthesis and this and sub, they automatically populate. This is to complete the VBA framework. Anything you write between these two will be part of this code. For our demo purpose, what I have done is I've written few alphabets here from B3 to B8. And what I'm going to do with this macro is copy these things to C3. Okay. So I'll write the range which I want to copy. So that is B3 to B8. This would be in inverted commas, and after that dot copy. Similarly, I have to paste this at C3. So I have written C3 and I only want to paste it as values. So I'll select values, but as you can see, there are a lot of options. You can select paste all, paste without borders, merging conditional formatting, pasting comments, formats, formulas. So yeah, any options you can use as per your requirements. So this is my simple code to copy paste. We will just run it by step running it. You can do that by pressing F8. Right. So as you can see, now the data is copied from here and it is pasted in C3. There is one more thing which you can do in this codes is you can write comments. For example, this macro will copy paste. So these are comments for someone who is not very well versed with this language, can easily read this and understand what this macro is going to do. And whatever comments you add, you can add it by putting an apostrophe and then write the comment. It will automatically turn into green color. That's it for this video. We'll keep learning more about VBAs in our upcoming videos. Please subscribe to my channel to keep getting latest updates. Thank you.